Haha. I told my wife that today my ex will be coming. She said, "Who?" My ex lah. Finally, it's here. Yes, 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 yes. Welcome. Oh, wow. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh la la. Yes, 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 yes. Nice age. Skaks. Skaks too. SCX. Two. Ooh. Comes with a ferro rod. Alamak, my wife came in while holding my ex. Mommy, here's my ex.
Wow, she's beautiful.
I know, right? And it comes with a ferro rod.
What's a ferro rod? What's that?
To fire. For fire.
Okay. Oi, hello. Don't set fire on my bed.
Okay. Apparently, I don't know how to use this. I never used this before. But I will learn. Alright. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Shred. Ox. My axe. Alright, finally I get to play with my axe. So I built this raised bed for my compost. So I get to split wood, turn it into pikes, and pummel it down. And I got this little nick on the blade, and although it's negligible, I would like it back to original condition. So let's work on it a little bit using the grinding stone or sharpening stone. Okay, it's a small sharpening stone, and just grind it down in a circular motion. Okay. Think I'll use a bit of water so I don't breathe in the dust. Now you can see how much has come off. Yeah. There you go. Shing. Yeah. Yes. Right. It's a small sharpening stone, and I have 4 extra which I will give away. So share this video and comment down below, and I will choose 4 of you and I can snail mail it to you. Okay. Subscribe and share. Subscribe and share. Oh, yeah. And this line over here, you can sharpen your hooks. Yeah, right. It's sort of like a guide. You can sharpen your hooks. It's kind of dual purpose here, huh? Sharpening your knife or axe, and then sharpening your hooks as well. Right. Sharp hooks catch more fish. Yeah. Let's go.